Hello coders, and welcome to How to Fix. In today's video, we'll be focusing on a new bug that you might find challenging to solve. So without further ado, let's dive into today's bug.
Let's now run code 1 that triggers the error and see the output. Now, here's the breakdown and the fix for the issue. Please halt the video to go through the explanation. It's time to mend the code and check the produced result. And voila! The code is working as it should and our output is spot on. The error has disappeared. That's all for today's session. If you found this guide beneficial, please like the video and join our channel for more how to fix coding videos. Always stay eager, continue your learning journey, and enjoy your coding experience.